Welcome back to Carter's Her Donut Channel. Today we're gonna be making slime. Yay! Make sure you go and buy yourself a Juicy Drop gum. They're really good. Yeah, I'm gonna show you more now. So we're gonna show you some that we have. Butter slime and fluffy slime. This is butter, this is fluffy. And we got a big old one with lots of bubbles. So this is marshmallow puff. It's fluffy slime. It's white, as you can see.
Nobody cares.
And it's really, really fluffy. And we got this big old piece of slime. It's fun to play around with. I make this one with my friends. Yeah, and we use wax. I put it in this container.
Is that funny? Oh, shh.
Next we have butter slime.
Damn, yes. My jam. I was singing this in my head.
So we have butter slime.
So, bro.
She's gonna show it to you. Butter slime. And we're gonna make slime for you guys. So yay.
Wait, this killed dude. No, this dude killed me.
So I got other containers.
Because you're running away, loser. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, you're driving away.
It's really fun to play with butter.
Why are you driving away? Come back. You're driving.
So
Stop driving away.
I'm just gonna use a fluffy slime and put it in another container. It's just super glittery.
Because you're scared. Exactly. Because you're scared.
So what you're gonna be needing is some clear glue. Any type of clear glue. This one was $9. Really? Yeah, each. And or you could also use Elmer's glue. This one's white glue. But we're gonna use clear glue.
Yeah,
Well, I'm gonna use clear glue. You? I'm gonna use white.
Hold on, this is taking forever.
For the
I'm
the thing to make it into slime, we have borax solution. It's a borax powder with water, Tide, and Gain. If you want to make fluffy slime, we have shaving cream.
I'm running towards you.
Or marshmallow slime. Yeah, same thing. And yeah. So we're also gonna be needing containers and something to mix with. So I'm gonna go get the containers.
Yeah, I'm feeling for fun. This
and I'll just stay here. Just.
Oh.
I don't know. Look at the pretty slime. Fluffy slime, fluffy slime. You could get these. I don't know. My cousin got them. But like, yeah, you could go buy these containers. They're really cute, and it's like a little square thing. You can buy them yourself. And yeah.
It's still taking forever.
And they come with their own so don't think that they don't. They come different colors. Wow. I got it on me. An iron girl. More like slime girl. What? Hey, I met your friend Ada and
Wow, dude. Wait, let me get my car. You don't like it. Wait. Oh. Wait a little fool. I'm trying to look for it. Oh, I see it. I can't switch guns. What am I? Kill him. I can't right now. It's loading forever to select. I can't. Right now it's not letting me do anything, dude. It's like taking forever to load everything.
she's on my phone and I'm ready.
It's taking forever.
So, sorry about that. I'm texting with my friend. So we're also gonna be needing measuring cups.
Right, there we go.
we're gonna be using these containers to purchase small for that, bro. And for we're gonna be using these to mix. As bro.
Oh my god.
Right there. So let's get started. So, oh, and I also brought glitter. All different colors.
How do you do it without the borax solution? You're gonna use it with Gain and all that?
There we
Me
go.
too, because I want to make it smell good.
Yeah, so with these, you're gonna just put like the measurements and then pour it in there.
So first we add the glue.
Yeah.
How much you want to add?
How much you want to?
Yeah, I'm gonna clean it.
So I'm gonna be using white glue.
I'm gonna be using clear glue, and I'm gonna add as much as I want. I can't even see. Okay.
I'm not just gonna be adding a lot because we still need the Gain and it's gonna be over a lot.
You really? Okay, I'm gonna put it back. I have a trick. I got a trick. Got a trick. I think I got a trick. I don't know, but I'm gonna try. Okay.
I'm gonna be using half because I don't want to use a lot. Collect, bro.
Adolfo, you start up the heist.
And if you make a fluffy, it's gonna be a lot.
No, I don't want to add more. Okay, I'm gonna go get myself a napkin or something, or toilet paper. I don't know.
They're hitting you up, bro.
Okay, so this is how much glue I'm adding. You're probably thinking, oh my god, you don't have a
No,
lot.
start up the heist.
Bro,
too.
I have a lot. Collect.
Hey, does Aaron have a PS3? Adolfo. What car is that? Dude, that's gonna be my car. That looks dope. Hopefully it's not a custom car. Oh,
Hey, I'm back.
I put your thing here because this was
never
spilling.
mind.
With
Yeah.
the thing.
I'm gonna clean the. Yeah, I was gonna.
Just leave it in there. It doesn't matter.
It's kinda dope.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting music while we do the slime.
Yay, calming music. Hopefully. Calming.
What kind of?
I don't know. Anything. And I added this much. Oh, right.
You're too slow,
A little
Adolfo.
bit of.
Young money, young money, young money.
Oh, I literally heard that song on the.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. Wish that I could taste them all night.
Whoops.
No, I ain't no end of days, so you should bring all your friends. I swear that to all of y'all my type.
Hey, Adolfo, there's a hat too. Oh, never mind.
Come on, take a sip. Looking at what I'm saying. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink.
Do I add glitter?
Drink.
If you want to.
Too laggy.
Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink.
I will. I want to make it like a galaxy-ish. So you didn't take. You're not recording, yeah? Are you when I'm here?
Sorry about that. Okay, so this is how mine looks. Pretty cool, huh? And I'm gonna mix it. We're not gonna be doing the same thing because, like, just in case it gets lost. Yeah. So me, I added other colors.
I was gonna do that. I did a lot of blue.
We can't do it anymore.
Well, I wasn't gonna add green, so.
Yeah, and then you're gonna buy me.
He's the original YouTuber.
Yeah.
If you want to stay tuned, he's gonna be blindfolded making slime. So stay tuned for that. Yeah?
Sure, hold it. Let me add a little bit of yellow.
So me, I'm gonna add a little bit more.
This is how mine looks. Now I'm gonna mix it. Oh wow, look how pretty this looks.
So why is it dark? Right? I can tell by everything that, you know.
Looks like black.
It looks really pretty, especially because yours is clear.
I wanted to make Alexi slime, but I didn't.
You actually did. You just have to mix it more. That makes it really good.
Okay.
Mine is like a birthday slime. Like, I don't know, it's like a confetti
Yeah, it looks
slime.
like a birthday cake.
I'm gonna disappear right
Like,
now.
it's really like...
Ready?
I don't know.
1, 2.
Shimmy, shimmy,
You can see his
shimmy,
feet.
shimmy,
Yeah. Look, right now, I'm gonna go like this, and then he's gonna come. Ready? 1. See nobody? 1, 2, and 3. There you go. Woo, go, girl. Okay.
Why didn't you bring me back? I'm leaving.
Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3.
Look, naturally, it's
Okay, there you go.
Oh man.
Okay, well, he wanted to go back, Mom.
Okay, and then what do we do? What do I do?
I think I should add like a little bit purple. A purple slime because I haven't even added that one. Okay, so now we can add our ¿cómo se llama?
Game.
That's green and this is blue. So just saying.
Which just feels better.
They smell good, like bro.
No, natural.
So me,
I like the game one.
I'm gonna be using borax. This is clear.
Oh well, yeah, I'd rather use that.
Like if yours is blue, so yeah, yours I will use also borax. You know why? Because I made it los colors. Because the blue one it will be blue slime, like it will look like white blue. Just gonna add little by little. I see you, bub. Okay, so you don't add a lot of borax, cause then Jake Paul is calling me. Hello? Hi, Jake Paul. Yeah, I'm saying a video, bro. Yeah. Cause it's every day, bruh. Peace. Okay, bye.
Frappuccino.
You're gonna get. ¿Quién está pintando eso? I went to my mom.
Look how mine turned out. Look, it looks really cool.
Give me one. Put him here.
Should I start using my hands?
Put him here. A lot. Like this. There you
Yours
go.
looks
Now you
sticky
can see
todavía.
Yeah. Yours turned out kind of weird.
Ew, I feel the glitter. Okay, guys, so now going to the past. Now I feel like not adding glitter. Just making like normal slime.
I actually like how mine looks. You guys might be able to see it, but it's like really glittery.
I'm back.
Bruh.
Is that slime already?
Should I
Memphis,
start
like,
playing with it?
Sure.
Should I?
Yeah.
I think you should make it more and add a little bit more detergent because mine is like super sticky.
What, detergent? Or
That's detergent too. Oh my god, it's so sticky. What? Okay guys, so I'm gonna tell you one more time. So he's gonna be making slime blindfolded. So stay tuned for that.
I don't think so, guys. You're not gonna let me put the video on YouTube, guys. And that they pass it for you.
Bye.